Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Sri Nagi, Ayurveda and Medicine Doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about how to recognize the Ayurveda skin type. Just by looking at your skin or just observing our skin, how we will recognize whether it is more of Vata prominence, Pitta prominence or Kapha prominence. Because if we know what kind of skin type we belong to, it becomes very easy to adopt a routine for that specific kind of skin care. But usually what we need to do to recognize our skin, whether it is Vata prominent skin, Pitta prominent skin and Kapha prominent skin, and accordingly we can choose our life, our diet, our various kind of mixtures, the natural herbal ingredients that we can apply on our skin. If we know what is the natural constitution of our skin and which dosh is more of imbalanced, so we can deal with the problems of skin in a more better way if we know what is the constitution of our skin, that is which dosha prominence we have, and if that dosha will get imbalanced, what are the symptoms that we feel and how to deal with those symptoms in a very natural way. So let's see what Ayurveda has to say about it and how we can tackle these problems. Next comes the Kapha skin type. So this Kapha skin type, it is flawless skin, but how to recognize it? One thing is it will be flawless and it will be very thick. You will observe, like most of the people, they have very thick skin on the face, but they are extremely beautiful and healthy. It has very less skin problems, but there is one very basic problem in these kind of skin. We need to take care of proper cleansing, because in Kapha skin type there is only one problem, like it becomes dirty very easily. So it is very important that you use a proper scrub, natural scrub you can use. For example, you can use the mixture of gram flour with milk to just make a scrub and use it in your skin. It would be very beneficial. It is very natural, it has no harms. At the same time, you also need to focus on Kapha balancing diet. That means you need to avoid all the sugars, all these artificial chocolates and sweets and pastries and cakes. I know it's very difficult to leave it, but whatever you are eating, try to eat little bit less, because if you are keep eating it, this Kapha skin, it will make more and more imbalance into the skin, and ultimately it will start itchy or irritation, and these kind of problems will come up. So for Kapha skin, they are very blessed because they don't need to take much regime for their skin, because they are naturally, their skin is very nice and very beautiful. But at the same time, you just need to take care of one thing, that you need to clean it properly. So there are various cleansing herbal mixtures we have mentioned in various kind of our skin videos. So there is a link for our skin videos down, so you can click down there and you can figure out what are the links for various kind of skin types, and you can make use of it. And so that's all for today. I hope you will like this video, and if you're watching me for the first time and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, so please take a minute. There is a bell icon, there is a subscribe button. Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. And also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription. You can click that join button and you can support us. I hope this video will be beneficial for you to remove your skin problems to whatever extent Ayurveda is mentioning. I try to put it in words so that it will be more and more helpful for the people, and they remove all the stressful situations from their life. And how you can do it? You can do it with the help of yoga, breathing practices, exercise and walking. So all these are the small things which you can do in day-to-day life. But definitely, if your skin has some severe issues, definitely you need to take a specialist advice. But at the same time, if you want to have Ayurveda consultation, you can also write to us, because if you want to know if you want to have some details about your skin or other health issues, so we are helping people with Ayurveda consultations also. If somebody wants, they can write to us. In addition to that, don't forget to do yoga, pranayam. It would be very beneficial for your skin health and your emotional health. if you like this video, please don't forget to share it with your friends. At the same time, if somebody has diabetes, please don't start eating sweet fruits, because as we know, sweets are restricted in diabetic patients. So I think this is the common thing I forgot to mention earlier, but now I am mentioning so that people will take proper precaution. And I think that all people who are having diabetes, they are aware of it, but still for precautionary measure I'm letting you know this. Drink enough water, but don't just sip water. Whenever you are thirsty, drink enough water, because that would be more beneficial for your digestive fire. So that's all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and with this note I would like to say, stay healthy, stay blessed, take care.